All right, y'all, sorry for the delay in my last post. Ryan here at the Trawf. I got a quick one tonight. It's baseball tonight, but we're gonna go ahead and eat a good supper anyway. I'm gonna do some steaks up on the Blackstone Griddle, and we'll go ahead and throw some potatoes down with it. So I gotta hurry, got less than an hour to get this on the table. Let's rock and roll. Welcome to the Trawf. All right, so these are the steaks we're gonna go ahead and put on the Blackstone out there. This is a really cool cut. I didn't know about it until a couple of years ago. You look at these and might think that they're something like a ribeye, and they're pretty close. They're actually called a chuck eye steak. Whenever I see chuck roasts on sale at my local grocery store, I always know there's gonna be chuck eye steaks in the meat case, and I always grab up a couple of packages. Really great flavor, easy to cook, cheap to come by, and I just can't beat it. So let's go ahead and get these ready. All right, so we got to have some sides to go along with our steaks. Tonight we are going to be oven roasting some of these multicolored carrots. These are beautiful. They come in a variety of colors here. We've got purple, orange, gold, white. We're gonna go ahead and clean those up and get those ready to go in the oven. And then it is spring, so wouldn't be spring supper without some of that garden fresh asparagus. Our in-laws have a plethora of this growing, and they keep us with a steady supply. So get those all ready to go. We're gonna saute these on the Blackstone alongside of some potatoes. We'll go ahead and oven roast these carrots and bring out their natural sweetness. Let's go ahead and get those all ready. All right, we got the Blackstone going here, nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and get just a little touch of olive oil down. We'll get those steaks right on there and get those cooking right up. Listen for this. I got that fire turned down a little bit on this side. I'm gonna go ahead and cover these up and encourage them to cook a little bit more evenly as we keep on and get ready to put the vegetables down. All right, so we're gonna just go ahead and do everything out here on the Blackstone. I decided. Executive decision. When it's your kitchen, you do how you want. Gonna go ahead and fry up some potatoes, get some asparagus down on here, get these carrots going. We're just gonna season them up real simply with some salt, pepper, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder, and see how it comes out. So let me show you what we have going on here on the Blackstone. We've got this diced up garden fresh asparagus sauteing up, a few potatoes. We've got these beautiful multicolored carrots, and of course these chuck eye steaks. Go ahead and crank the fire up underneath those and get a good sear on the outside. These are going to turn out just great. All right, it's hardly taking any time at all. We've got a little good sear on these steaks. The vegetables are all done. And we're gonna go ahead and just finish them off with a little bit of butter, because that makes everything better. We'll be eating in no time. All right, there we have it, everybody. Complete steak dinner. Meat, vegetables, and potatoes. All done on the Blackstone Grill in 15 minutes. You just absolutely cannot believe it. Let's go plate it up and get after it. All right, everybody, so there you go. That's how you can put together a complete steak supper on a busy night. Again, we had baseball practice for our son and still able to turn out a really awesome dinner. Wanted to talk to you about a few things that I used during today's episode that I really believe strongly about. And the first off is the Blackstone Griddle. You've seen a number of episodes where I put that to good use, and there are some great posters on YouTube that specialize in using that Blackstone, and I think there's a lot of great resources out there. So make sure and look into getting one of those things. I think you'll find that it's a great addition to any backyard cooking. A couple of other things that I used on the steaks, aside from using just regular salt and pepper, I also used some of this. This is beef rub from Montana Outlaw Barbecue. It's a nice seasoning mix. You can see it's time for a refill. I'm just about out of that. Really great flavor. They've got them for chicken and other flavors as well. So go ahead and give them a look. I'll put a link down below for that. And the third one here is a local specialty. This is from the Spice House here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. They make this stuff called Vulcan's Fire Salt. It's a habanero infused salt. I generally use it at the table because it's a little tough to control the amount of heat that my family wants to enjoy. So it's a really great thing. I mean, there's all kinds of uses for it, and it's a great thing. I'll put a link for their website as well in the comment box below. And so go ahead and give those things a look and let me know if you decide to start using them. Again, I appreciate you taking time to watch the video. Hit that subscribe button for me, and turn on the notifications bell so you can stay up to date when we put out new footage. Appreciate this and hope that you'll share it with your friends as always. And stay tuned. We have more stuff coming up all the time. So as always, this is Ryan, and welcome to the Trawf.